It's fine. Scott gets arrested and afterwards it's me and Scott.
Oh, fuck. Oh, it swelled up like 3 times the size.
Make it easier for me to do
Oh yeah, Scott, did you know? Right after me, you've got Grant.
Oh, I forfeit. You can forfeit.
No, you can't forfeit, that's a rule. You're not allowed.
I want to see you walk.
Hey?
You know what we need to get?
What?
A 16 gig SD card.
True, that'd be good.
Moments like this.
Ooh, Grant, should we have a little break and have the pancakes?
Oh, I think Scott needs it.
I'm thinking so too.
Because if he's got me straight after phase you.
Yeah, he does need a little bit of a break, I'd say. Come on, man, let's have pancakes.
Please.
What?
Can bring ours in.
I don't think they can move.
I'll put it through the port. Woo. We should film me doing pancakes. Do you think? I'll probably do a thing. I don't know. I want to be filmed and I'm making pancakes.
I think that last one did a number on it.
I'm thinking so too. Pancake time. Pancake.
I don't think changed his farm yet. Why did you do really high? Well, it's not now. One today. It's wrong sensible today. I think I've been sensible for a while. Yeah. Mine are recovered.
Mine recovered now.
Actually, he's relocated, mine just recovered fast.
It's made of concrete, okay.
Who would like the next pancake?
I think one is.
I think
Well, I think